up, everybody? My name is Dane Thompson and welcome to my YouTube. So what I'd like to do real quick while I still have this thing before I deliver it is kind of go over my buddy's 37 Chevy. So I helped him put this thing together several years ago. This is one of the first cars I painted. Definitely one of the first cars I ever two-toned. It's been done for several years now. So I had me do a couple things on it and I'm going to deliver it today. So what we'll actually do, let me give you a walk around, show you the car a bit, and then we'll jump in, we'll take it over to Chuck's house, we'll take it for a little ride, and I'll explain kind of how it runs and drives. I've never been in the car, never driven the car other than in and out of my driveway. But he is actually on vacation, so I have to deliver the car to his house to get it out of my way, and we'll take you guys along for a ride. I figured it'd be neat. How many 37 Chevy humpback coupes do you ever see rolling around? Probably not very many, so check this thing out. So it's a vanilla cream top, black cherry on the paint. Major chop. These windows are just teeny tiny, especially the windshield and the rear window. I mean, it's chopped hard. It's like driving a Sherman tank. Chevy 350. It's on a Caprice chassis, I believe. Sorry, he's got the car cover in there. Even the trunk is all finished. So that is a walk around look at the car. I'm gonna warm it up, get it fired up, and then we'll take it on over to Chuck's and I'll bring you along for the ride. Like I said, I've never driven the car. It has power steering and such, so it shouldn't be a terrible issue to film and drive, but we will see how it goes. So let me fire this thing up, and then we'll get rolling. Alright, so here we are inside this thing. You can barely hear it run. I'm gonna adjust the steering wheel. See if I can move that thing one-handed. Like I said, I've never been in this car. I've never driven it other than in and out of the garage. Look at that, styling. Throw my seatbelt on for good measure. Not that we're gonna drive like idiots. Alright, seatbelt is on. Do it. Gotta give the door the heave-ho. We are off. This is what it looks like. I'm trying to look out that back window, which is ridiculous. The front's kind of ridiculous. Pretty slick out though. Kind of like the hood ornament. Line this bitch up. Let's roll. Alright, so it's got a Chevy Caprice chassis. I want to say it's just a Vortec motor, 350, 700 R4 trans. Oh geez, holy shit. So I hit the brakes and we immediately went left. That's not good, Chuck. Got to adjust that one. Watch this. Let's see. We'll wait for this truck to pass and then we'll try our stunt. Alright, here's the steering wheel. We'll let go. We'll hit the brakes. That's a little sketchy, huh? Alright, we're gonna slow down, hold the wheel to the right. Okay, so other than that little fork, it's a nice car. It's Nice and quiet in here. Doesn't seem to rattle or nothing. Seems to go decently. Obviously, we're not going to beat on it. This is not a race car, it's a cruiser, but I'm barely touching the gas. It seems like we're cruising right along at the old 25-mile-an-hour speed limit. The steering is a little heavy, but I think it's kind of to be expected. It's kind of, I think, what it should be for the most part. Those brakes, though, that's sketchy as all get out, though. I didn't even try the blinkers or anything to see if they work, but I'm assuming they do. Yeah, we just hit some bumps and stuff. Suspension's a little stiff, but I think that's just due to what the chassis. This chassis is meant to hold a much heavier vehicle, so obviously the spring rates are going to be off for this thing. But I bet it'd make it actually handle kind of decent. And then wheel and tire combo. It's got the bigs and littles. I want to say they're like same size rim. I want to say it's like a 16-inch rim, 15-inch rim, but it's a bigger tire on the back, smaller tire on the front. But that is it. I'll let Joey drop it off. Hope you guys enjoyed this 1937 Chevy Coupe. All right, that is it. Car is delivered, and hopefully likes it.